This message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. At 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a unknown-like portal was spotted opening up with a creature coming out and killing people, and the description of the creature is described as a 6.5 feet tall female demon with long blonde hair, pale skin, honey-colored streaks, plum eyeshadow and dark, magneto lipstick, and wears a queen-like crown. If you see her, call 911 immediately. This message is transmitted by the request of the Boston Police Department. At 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time, there were reports of power outages happening across the Boston area, and this might be because of the figure that was mentioned earlier. Please do not use the telephone lines, as it should be kept used for emergency services. Meanwhile, stay calm and don't panic, as it can cause.
I'm not the damsel in distress. I'm not your girlfriend or the frightened princess. I'm not a little bird who needs your help to fly. Nope. I'm the best.
This message is transmitted at the request of the American government and American National Guard. Our country came to an end at 2:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There have been reports of Lilith, morningstar, attacking across the United States, causing mass destruction and deaths. And there have been disturbing reports of Lilith, morningstar, growing taller and killing anyone she sees in her path, including humans. And we have news of the president committing suicide alongside his officials, and the United States military try to stop this creature but have been injured and killed, and the American government have fallen to the Queen of Hell, Lilith Morningstar. All residents in the United States pray to whoever you believe in, and all 50 states have been controlled, including Alaska and Hawaii. The playing of the American national anthem will be the last thing you will hear. America has fallen.